How are you?
Okay.
I'm good. Hi. Wagwan. Wagwan. Hello. You guys want to be on YouTube? YouTube? No? Okay, that's okay. Yeah.
Over there is a pirate island. That island, they have a bar right there.
Oh yeah.
And them bring people there and grill lobster, chicken, and what's
Oh, cool.
yeah.
Oh wow. Alright, so here we are. We're at the beach. We're at the what is it called? Half Moon Beach. I've never been here before. It's really blue. You can't really see it. Oh, there you could see. Yeah, there. Look at how blue and oh, look at it. So cute. Hi there. I didn't even see you in there. Are you alright? You look tired. Oh my goodness, what a little cutiekins. What a little sweet cutie baby. You're just sleeping under the chair. It's like a little special little cave. Oh. Guys, this is so amazing. Like the energy here is so nice. Guys, look at this water. It's amazing. Oh my gosh. It's so clear. Oh, I'm risking my phone once again, but it's okay. Oh. Amazing, you guys, and like the way the tree just like is here, it's so peaceful.
Beach.
Yes, I am.
And she having, and I know Half Moon Beach fit her and match her right underneath the tree, and she having a nice, wonderful time. That is very beautiful and very nice.
Yes, you guys.
Oh, it's shut down.
It's shut down?
Yes.
What do you mean?
It locked off, and she is swimming at Half Moon Beach. She's swimming like a dolphin in the ocean, and she's having a good time. This is the beach. See the beach? And she's underneath the tree at the beach, and she's having a good time. Yes, that is very nice.
You should come to Half Moon Beach. It's so nice.
Yeah. And over there you can see some other people there, and you can see the beach over there, and you can see what it look like. See? Yeah, very nice place. Yes, very nice and wonderful place.
Half Moon Beach, guys, you should come if you're in, where is it?
Green Island.
Green Island in Jamaica. You guys should come. It's very peaceful. If you're looking for like a really peaceful, like calm kind of vibe, not too many waves. The waves are really gentle. So yeah. All right. These are sea grapes, right? Little red thing.
Yeah. Some of them are sweet and some is not sweet. This one is not sweet. I taste it and it's not.
They're not nice.
But some other tree you go and you taste them, and are very juicy and.
Okay. Look at this amazing sunset, guys. Oh my goodness. Wow. So we just got back from the beach. It was so beautiful, you guys. Like seriously, that water is such a blessing. It was so calm and the vibes were like super nice there. It was really good. Like I just feel so good right now. I'm so glad that I did this because you know, I was feeling like I need a little reset. So I'm here where I feel most at home, which is in the bush. So yeah, look at this beautiful sunset. Look at the moon, so nice. Everything always looks so like vibrant at this hour. Everything, like the flowers, the color of the flowers and the green always looks vibrant. And like these over here, super pink. And when I was walking over this way, even like these, they're just so pretty. I was like, wow, like it was amazing. Look at this. So peaceful here, you guys. I'm gonna put his little Airbnb information up in the description because it's just such a nice vibe, such a kind soul. If you guys ever come to Jamaica, definitely come here if you want like a camping experience under the stars. I know the stars are gonna look amazing tonight, so you guys can come stay with him.
Come on, I'm cooking right now.
Yeah, he's cooking for me.
Yes.
Some good barracuda that he caught. I'm so excited to have some fresh food. Yes. So you guys, I'm gonna put his Airbnb information in the description. Please check it. And if you come to Jamaica, you guys have to come here down near Half Moon Beach. Good vibes, nice vibes. I can't wait to just be here in the nature and recharge. A breadfruit, my favorite. Coconut. Wait, what is that white stuff? I've never seen.
White stuff is a stain from it.
I've never seen that on breadfruit before.
Because it's green.
Oh.
Yeah.
Are you going to fry it?
No, I'm going to boil it.
Boil
like
it?
a potato.
Oh, okay.
Fry is when you roast it and then you fry
roast it and then fry it.
So this is not frying stage.
Okay.
It's cooking stage.
Cooking stage. All right. Guys, I'm just chilling here. There's this little mirror here. it's cute. Look at this. Look at all of this. This is Circe. It's really good for your skin. I'm gonna take some. He said I can pick as much as I want and I will sun dry it tomorrow and I will be able to take it home for tea. So yeah, this is Circe. We're gonna pull some of this and take it. I feel like a baby in Mother Nature's womb right now. It's all the only way I can describe it. You guys definitely should come here if you come to this side. Alright, so here's the Circe. I'm gonna try to get some out. Look at Circe, fresh from the nature. Amazing. I can't wait to make tea out of it. And
what I'm doing, I'm scraping my carrot
okay.
to cook my fish. I cut the breadfruit already. I cut it like this. And then I take it out like this, and then I take the skin off. And then I put it in a pot.
Alright.
Yeah. See, the pot is boiling with it. See?
Okay, boiling.
And these are dumpling.
Oh,
flour.
dumplings.
So I
like
water and a little salt and so squeeze it up and it gets hard. And now I'm going to boil it. I call it cooked dumpling. I love cooked dumpling.
Cooked dumplings, good, yeah.
Give you a good belly full.
It's a very common Jamaican dish, right?
Yes.
And like in soups as well.
Yes, can make so many things.
Yes, so you just put it in there. Right. So dinner
this is
ready.
Dumpling pot.
Dumpling pot.
Yes, I throw the water off of it.
Alright.
In the ground. And that is the dumpling.
The dumpling pot.
With breadfruit.
With breadfruit.
And this is the barracuda. Steamed barracuda.
Steamed barracuda.
With curry.
With curry that he...
Onion, pepper, whatever.
That you fished yourself.
This is my fish what I catch.
This is his catch. Wow, it looks delicious. That's a very happy meal. Very happy. In America, they call the French fries and nuggets a happy meal. This is a happy meal.
This is a happy meal. Healthy.
This is the happy meal. Hey guys, so I'm in my tent. It's quite late actually. It's like almost 11 o'clock. I've been kind of just laying here because I've been having a hard time falling asleep just because like I'm not in my bed, and it's very mosquito-y and also very quite hot actually. There's like, I'm trying to cover up with this quilt here because these mosquitoes are actually rampant. Well, it's been a great day. No, it has. It's been a really great day actually, but sleeping. I haven't been in a tent in a while, but that's okay. We shall persist. And yeah.